Hi guys, let's look at the 3 sure strategies to get A1 grade in the exam. That's over 90% for the class 10 biology exam. Number 1 is learning concepts. We all resort to memorizing things. This is just a rote learning technique. A better way is to understand what it is all about. For example, photosynthesis in plants. It's about how plants make their food. So, where do they get the raw materials from? How is the food made by the plant? All these form the core concepts we need to understand. And number 2 is past exam papers. We need to go through at least last 5 to 10 years of question papers to know 2 things. One is what are the pattern of the questions that are asked and how much marks do each question carry. So for a class 10 biology, there is a 1 mark MCQ question. There are 2 mark short answer questions. There are 4 mark competency questions, and there are 5 marks long answer questions. So the way you answer 1 mark question is different from where you answer the 5 mark long answer questions. So knowing how to answer these questions in the exam makes all the difference in getting A1 grade. Number 3 is learning from high yield topics. So what are these high yield topics? These are the topics from which most of the questions come for the exam. For example, chapter 6 of biology in class 10 is life processes, and you can get up to 9 mark questions from this chapter. And the hereditary chapter, at times you can get up to 7 marks questions. So learning from these high yield topics will get you most of the marks. So please stay tuned to Ease High Yield to have more useful videos for class 10 biology. Thank you guys.